Class I am going to discuss about difference between combinational cycle and sequential cycle. So these are the common parameters while comparing combinational cycle and sequential cycle. We will discuss one by one. So first one is block diagram. So block diagram of combinational cycle. So it's a simple block diagram. So it's a n input. Output of the combinational cycle is n output. So it's a combinational circuit. So it's a simple block diagram of combinational circuit. This combinational cycle consists of logic gates. Then come to sequential circuit. So this sequential circuit consists of combinational circuit along with memory. So it's an input. This output is feedback to memory. The next input get from the memory. The combinational cycle next input get from the memory. So this one is output. So this sequential cycle consists of both combinational cycle and memory unit. So here this output is feedback to memory. The memory value is given to the input of combinational cycle. The next one, definition. So definition of combination circuit. So here the output is depends on only present input. So the output of combination circuit is depends upon only the present input. Then come to sequential circuit. The output of sequential circuit is depends on present input and past output. Present input and past output. So output of the sequential circuit is depends on present input and past output. So this definition I will get from the block diagram. The output of the sequential cycle is depends on the present input and past output. This past output get from the memory. The next one, memory. In the combination circuit, no need of memory. No need of memory. But sequential circuit, we require memory. Record memory for storing the previous state. Storing the previous state. This output value is stored in the memory. So next one, feedback. In the combinational circuit, there is no feedback path between the output and input. No feedback path. But in the sequential cycle, we have a feedback path between output and input through the memory. We have a feedback path. So next one, clock. In the combinational cycle, there is no clock circuit required. Not required. Clock circuit, but sequential circuit we need a clock circuit to activate the flip-flops. Need a clock circuit. The next one, time dependency. So in the combination circuit, the output we will get immediate. Output we will get immediate based on the changes of input. Then sequential circuit we will get the output based on the clock cycle. output is based on the clock signal and also previous output. The next one, speed. So speed of combinational circuit is faster. Here the sequential circuit is slower compared to combinational circuit. So next one, cost. So cost wise the combinational circuit is high because of hardware. So cost wise the combinational circuit is high. So sequential circuit is low cost. Then design complexity. So design complexity in combinational circuit, so easier to design. So easier to design, but sequential circuit difficult to design. Difficult to design. So in combinational circuit, it consists of basic logic gates. So only the circuit implementation is very easier, but sequential circuit is difficult because of using logic gates and flip-flop. So next parameter is power consumption. So power consumption in combinational circuit is less. So it will consume less power. Sequential circuit, it will consume more power. Then last point, example. So example of combinational circuit is half adder, multiplexer, then demultiplexer, encoder and decoder. In sequential circuit, to design the register, counter, then memory, RAM. So these are the basic difference between combinational circuit and sequential circuit. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.